Hey guys, and welcome to Nature with Alik channel. My name is Alik and I'm traveling around the world and sharing the beauty of the nature as well as the dragon fruit, hummingbirds, and amazing beautiful day today in Southern California. And we're gonna do another beautiful tasting of the new varieties in our orchard. But before we're gonna go, I would really appreciate, guys, if you support me by clicking that notification button and click the like button if you like my videos, as well as the comments. And I'm looking forward to see all your comments because future video coming much more interesting. New varieties in our dragon fruit orchard, traveling around the world. I went to Philippines, Japan, Hawaii coming. Oh, look at this. I'm changing my mood already to Hawaiian mood. So very soon, lots of cool and interesting videos from the nature around the world. Okay, so we're ready today for the tasting of dragon fruit. And today is going to be variety Sin Espinas. In Spanish is thornless. So this variety and branches have no thorns at all. I'm going to show you it very soon. Our table is set up. We got the plate, we got the scale to check the weight of the fruit, and the bigger is better, as you know. Okay, and we got the garlic press to squeeze the juice from the fruit to check the sugar of the fruit, and we have the refractometer, this device called refractometer, so you can couple drops of the content of the fruit or juices at home or wherever you'd like to check the sugar, and that will let you know the percentage called Brix score. Okay, so we are ready to harvest our fruit and put it on this plate. Okay guys, here we go. Here we go guys, we at the plant. It's very young plant, probably 2-3 year old plant. It's called Sin Espinas. In Spanish is without the thorns. As you can see, it's very safe, nice plant. Doesn't give you any damage or scratches to your hands compared to this Zamarana. Look at this Zamarana. Look how many thorns. It's strong and very aggressive plant. But this one is only one of the 5 varieties. This variety came from Nicaragua, and I really love this plant because it's already given me 2 fruit over here. I have flower, and there is another 3 flowers. So we're talking about 5 already, and 2, 4, 5, 6 fruit already hanging on this plant. So it's amazing. It's amazing. I'd love to see more progress on this plant, and definitely we're gonna check the weight as well. Okay, drum please. Ta-da. Oh wow, here we go. Look how pretty it is. Amazing, nice and shiny. It's amazing. Magenta color of the skin and nice green bricks, still like twisting a little bit backwards, and so pretty. Just to look at this fruit, it's such a beautiful and yummy event. Okay, so let's move on to the table. Here we go guys. Here's the Sin Espinas variety. Look how pretty colors. It's amazing. It's such a beautiful nature's art. Amazing. I love this. It's little tiny dots, but just to look, I can see the sun already shining through this one, and I love it. I can't wait to see what's inside and taste of this fruit. Okay, so we're just gonna check the weight right now. Okay, and I feel this is close to a pound. Okay, probably pound and 1 ounce. Let's take a look. Oh wow, 1 pound 4 ounces. 1 pound 4 ounces, guys, and 574 grams. 1 pound 4 ounces, 574 grams. Good job. That's the way we're looking for. Okay, okay, after we check the weight, we're gonna slice the fruit and see what's the flesh inside, and we do the Brix score tasting and taste test as well. And drum please. Slicing the beautiful. Whoa, my goodness, deep red color. Whoa, I can't believe it's so pretty, guys. This is the Sin Espinas. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to taste this one. And now we're gonna do the Brix score of the Sin Espinas variety. I'm gonna take from the center. Nice and firm texture, very beautiful. Okay, put in the garlic press. Oh wow, look at this. And we just need to squeeze couple drops to our refractometer. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Okay, pressing the button. 15.75. Almost 16 Brix score test for the Sin Espinas variety. And that's a pretty good number. And this is the first fruit. The more heat, the more sun is gonna come, more flavor and Brix score is gonna bring, but it doesn't really matter. We got our fruit already, over a pound, and it's beautiful, beautiful color. Look at this, deep red color. And tasting. Nice. I feel a little bit tartness, yeah, and it's so good. The flavor, it's hard to describe. Let me see. It's between, yeah, still like of kiwi flavor and strawberry, same mix, yeah, but it's amazing. It's good fruit to eat. You can enjoy this fruit as a just eating straight. Oh my gosh. You can eat it as a fruit salad, or the best one with this type of like a firm texture to do it the sorbet. Okay, you can slice the fruit in half, put it 30 minutes, 2 hours. It depends how hard you want to have this fruit, and you can freeze it and just scrape it, and you get straight fruit, dragon fruit sorbet straight from your freezer, and the whole family will enjoy, especially summertime, especially it's a tropical fruit, and lots of benefits to this one, to your health, to your joy of eating it. It has lots of vitamins and minerals that affecting your skin, affecting your immune system with good benefits, okay? It works perfect with your digestive system as well as the skin, and it brings you lots of joy to eat the dragon fruit. Back again, Nature with Alik, Shulman Dragon Fruit Orchard. You can always call us to visit our beautiful orchard for the tour and tasting events, and I'll be happy to see you guys from wherever you are in the world. But please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Nature with Alik YouTube channel. Click the notification button. Lots of videos coming. We schedule lots of videos for next 1-2 months already, so you can be really happy to see the new varieties, tasting the nature. I'll be traveling and share with you all. Cheers guys, looking forward to see you all.